Let me tell you something. There is no
nobility in obesity. I've been a fat man and I've been a jacked man, and I choose jacked every single time. Because at least as a jacked man, when I have to face my problems, I show up with a lean body, a six-pack, and a chiseled fucking jawline. And if anyone here thinks I'm superficial or materialistic, go get a job at bloody McDonald's, because that's where you belong. I want you to deal with your problems by becoming jacked. Alright, let me get out of this suit and tell you exactly how getting jacked changes your life. The first thing to say, obviously, is the aesthetics. You do look better because when you get quote unquote jacked, which just means muscular and lean, you lose fat from your face. So your face looks more angular, looks more masculine, so it makes you more attractive. Clothes definitely fit better. It falls better on your frame. You can handle a lot more kinds of fits. Why do supermodels all have that physique? Because it handles clothes well. It's like the guy with the oval shaped thin head. Sunglasses and hats, most shapes will work for that guy. Whereas if you have like a round fat face like I used to have, then not all shapes of sunglasses, hats will work for you. Your aesthetics, your looks matter. Take care of it. Try to improve it. Don't make that the only thing you try to improve, but definitely care about it as well. And getting jacked definitely impacts that part of your life. Next, back in the day, I used to have back pain. Some of you know this story, but I went through a period where emotionally in my life, I was anxious. I had so much unhealthy habits going on. I was smoking, I was ordering every night, I was eating like crap, I was procrastinating nonstop, I was waking up in sweats. One day I had back pain. I had back pain that was chronic, that didn't go away, and I was just on the verge of tears and depression because it was just so horrible. The thing that got me out of it was muscle training. It was hitting the gym with bodyweight training first, and then deadlifts and Romanian deadlifts, back extensions, Jefferson curls, all these exercises that were designed to make my body stronger, build muscle, build function in my body. Those were the things that rescued me. I literally use that phrase, rescued me from back pain, and now I don't have back pain. I can't believe it. I'm so happy that it doesn't exist anymore. I want you to feel that. If you have pain in your body, don't just think of it as some chronic disease. Don't just take your doctor's advice that says, oh, you probably have, L5, S1 disc protrusion, and it's dehydrated and it's a herniated disc. Like, I got all of that diagnosis. So does everybody who's aging has that diagnosis. But someone has pain, someone doesn't have pain. Because pain is a signal, is your brain's signal to fix that part of your body. And you have the control. You can fix it. And you can do that by building muscle in the right places. So if your lower back is in pain, make it more functional. That's what getting jacked does to your body. It makes you more functional. And you realize that really once you've had a health scare, you realize that the real value of training is not just the looks, it's more the function, it's more the health that comes out of it. Next, the next thing that really changes is your athletics. Now, not all of you watching this is going to be a sports obsessed person, but I loved sports all my life. I remember growing up and all I cared about was playing football, soccer for the American audience. It just took over my life. It was my dream to become a soccer player, football player. Anyways, even when I was playing football, when I started training like squats, I felt that I was performing better on the field in terms of my balance and my ability to hold off other players. And nowadays, the biggest thing is whenever I hit Bulgarian split squats, right? My leg day where I have Bulgarian split squats, Romanian deadlifts, Nordic curls, and things like this. I swear, this might be placebo, but I perform better the next day in jiu-jitsu. There's something about that that's really, really making me more stable and athletic. And I deliberately structure my training so that it helps my sports performance, whether it's certain mobility exercises, whether it's mimicking certain movements that would come in jiu-jitsu, in the gym, in weighted versions. These are all things that really helped my athletic performance. So that's another way getting jacked changes your life, is it makes you function better, perform better in sports, makes you more athletic. Guess what else you perform better at? The sexy times. Because it's all the same muscles. You are fitter and better, and more muscle is healthier for your cardiovascular system. The next thing is probably what you actually all expected when you clicked on this video, but of the 5 things that I'm talking about, it's the least impacting, and that's the romantic side, the dating side. Most people expect that when you get jacked, you're gonna have girls just lining up saying, hey, wow, you're so great, let me just touch your six-pack. That doesn't happen. When you get jacked, the only people that care about it are your bro friends. Okay, your bro friends are gonna be like, oh my god, how did you do that? I want to get ripped. Women don't care that much. Some of them do. Of course, every girl probably prefers, not every girl, but most girls will prefer that their man is in shape. And if he has a six-pack, they're going to be like, wow, that's great. But there are just so many other things that matter in the romantic sphere a bit more than whether you're jacked or not. If your whole goal was to get a girlfriend or just become more attractive to women or things like this, there's so many other things that move the needle more. Your personality, your ability to talk and be engaging, your ability to lead and empathize and to show her new experiences. There's just too many things. And if you don't have that down and you're just jacked, it almost works negatively, because then you just become like the gym guy that doesn't have any personality. And I've heard many girls refer to these guys like they just didn't want anything to do with them because he's boring. Like, they want a guy that they already like to have a sick body. They don't immediately like you because you have a sick body. Does that make sense? So it's the area that impacts it the least, but it actually does help in the romantic sphere a lot as well. Because, like I said, the looks matter, and when you have leanness, when you're chiseled, you have confidence in yourself. You feel better about yourself, and that exudes all the right signals. Next, getting jacked does help you in a professional sphere. Why? Well, in my case, it actually helped me start this YouTube channel. I made a fitness video detailing my journey, and it's helped a lot of you guys, and now I have a whole job business out of this thing that I do. But this is a very rare case. For most people, for instance, a lot of my one-on-one clients, they are people that work in companies or entrepreneurship, and they have said, people don't really take me seriously that much if my physique is out of shape. How am I going to lead people? How am I going to present and be accepted as someone that's worthy of being listened to and followed if I can't take care of myself and I just look like a fat lump? I want to get in shape, get not jacked, but at least look good and presentable and healthy, so that whoever I meet in a professional sphere just knows, okay, this guy is a guy who takes himself seriously. More than one guy has said that to me. Like, several of my clients actually have this, and it's something that I learned, that professionally speaking as well, if you're in good shape, your eyes will be clearer, your posture, the way you speak, just everything is going to exude differently. If you want me to help you get jacked so you can get all these benefits, check out Minimalist Training Club below, where I actually guide you every day and every week to achieve your dream body. With that said, share this with someone who needs to hear it. See you next week. Bye bye.